Ha! Hey, a snake bites? Just like that? This is serious. Wait. My love, how are you even sure it was a snake bite?
So I don't know a snake bite when I see one. Have you forgotten I'm a medical doctor?
Huh. I mean, I was just asking, no harm intended, you know. But thank God. Thank God nothing happened to you, my love. Tell me, what would you have? Let me get you some food.
Is it that you're heartless or something? Someone died and you're talking of food?
So you won't eat because somebody died? Life goes on, right? Come on. I presume you don't want to die with the person. You have to eat too. Well, something really sumptuous was made, and I bet you are going to like it. My darling. My heartbeat. Come. You like it.
I'm not really in the mood to eat.
I know you're not in the mood. Oh, your glasses. I know you're not in the mood. That's why I'm here to always put you in the mood, right? What is wrong with you, woman? Why are you afraid of your fellow human?
I just want to leave in peace, please. Let me go.
Oh, what? You would die of fear?
Please. I don't want trouble from you. Let me just go. I'm begging you, please.
What is it?
I'm sorry.
Mind my leg.
I'm sorry. Nkem.
Can't you talk? What is the problem?
I saw Nkem inside the kitchen. She was manifesting.
Adeze.
Yes.
Where is my food?
I'm serious.
Huh? I am asking you, where is my food? Adeze.
Baby.
Oh goodness me, what's the matter with you?
Baby. I was just... Sorry.
Why are you so coordinated right now? Can you get me food already? Can you get me food? Oh goodness.
What's the problem?
Nothing.
You know that's a lie.
Well, I just came to tell you that food is served. We should go eat.
Can you talk to me?
Everything is fine. Let's go eat.
Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king? Yeah. things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Zim. Yeah. Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Zim. Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Zim.
What is it? What is it? Why can't you just let me sleep? What is it? What is your problem?
My leg.
How? How did it happen? I'm coming. How did it happen? How?
Baby.
Hey! Don't you dare call my name. Stop accusing me falsely. What is wrong with you? Eh? Tell us, what really happened to you?
My love, just calm down.
Honey, no, let me ask her. Is this a ploy to set me up? Did you actually get the snake to bite you so you can accuse me?
I swear by the gods, I know what I'm talking about. Kim, why did you do this to me? She did it.
You know what? I have had enough of this nonsense. I won't stand here and be insulted.
I am not lying. I'm not exaggerating. I know what I saw.
Will you shut up, you this girl? One more word from you, I'll make sure I check you into the lonely bin. What is your problem?
Everybody's asking you to shut up. Just shut up. What are you talking about?
I know what I'm saying. I know Kim did it to me. I know.
Did you hear when I said you should shut up?
I was looking for you.
I was here. Besides, I'll always be where you can find me.
I thought you were angry.
Why would I be angry? You know what? You haven't had fruits this week, and I got these for you, so have some.
Thank you. Mother, I'm really, really scared. What is going on? What is happening? The snake bite was real. I saw it myself. Mother, what is going on? What is happening? I'm beginning to lose my patience. Could it be that Father is angry at me for converting what is not mine?
Son, you don't convert what is yours already.
That is the point, Mother. That is the point. What is the essence of it? I can't even sit on the throne. Then what makes me the king? I am not the king if I can't sit on the throne. I can't even wear the crown that belongs to the king of this kingdom. So how am I the king? I am not. I am tired. I'm exhausted. I don't even have anything
Now
to
listen,
go
son.
on.
Listen clearly and very well. You must sit on that throne. You must wear the crown of this kingdom. You must be king. Else, I will burn down the entire building. I will burn down this palace. Threat.
My prince, finally, there is a solution to the snake problem in the palace. Take. That is a necklace bead. Whenever they wear it, anybody that wears it, it will prevent the snake from reaching the person. The snake might not even fight anybody that's putting this bead on his neck. Share it among all the royal staff in this kingdom. Share it among all your staff in this palace. Do that and this problem will be solved.
You can also wear it.
Yes. Everybody, I said everybody in the palace
Should wear
should
this
wear it wherever they are
neck
going.
bead. Once you wear it, the snake will never see you or talk more of biting anybody.
Yes.
Thank you so much. This is good. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
The prince gave me this to give to everyone was that we must put it on at all time. It is for prevention against snake bites. So if you like, you remove your own. Whatever happens to you, you have yourself to blame. Here. Take. Wear it at all times. So me, I've said my own. If you like, you remove it. Snake bites you, you know.
Be careful, please. Promise me you'll be careful.
You worry too much. Of course, I'll be careful. Nothing is going to happen to me.
Well, you're living with that crazy brother of yours. Why won't I be worried?
You don't have to be worried. Not when I'm coming back as a king.
Of course, you will be coming back as a king.
Do not come back home at all if you are not king.
Mother.
What I mean, you must do everything within your power to make sure you become king. You were born to be a king. Nobody should stop you from being that.
Ise.
Go and possess your position.
Thank you, Mother.
Good luck.
You don't fight for kingship. Makanonye chimeleze gabazenunu for a reason. Kingship is of the God, and not for man to decide who to be king. It's a sacred thing, only the gods will decide. Oh, hey. Anazezazo, Adiazezazo, Kanonye chimeleze kabeze, Adiazezazo, Anazezazo, Adiazezazo, Onye chimeleze kabuneze. Kingship is not of contest, and you don't force it. It's a sacred thing and a nation thing from our fathers, and no man can defy the dynasty. You don't fight for kingship. Makanonye chimeleze gabazenunu for a reason. Kingship is of the God, and not for man to decide who to be king. It's a sacred thing, only the gods will decide. Oh, hey. Anazezazo, Adiazezazo, Kanonye chimeleze kabeze, Adiazezazo.
Switched off? How? Come on, why would you just connect, please? Oh my God. He's back!
Yes! Omekanaya is back to his royal palace. Where is everybody? Where is everyone? Come down and give me my rightful respect. Come and worship me. I am back to my palace.
Where's my husband?
Where is everybody?
Emeka, I am talking to you. Where's my husband?
It is your majesty, King Emeka. You will address me with total respect as your king.
I ask you again, where is my husband?
Omeka Naya.
Oh.
Ebube Dikeh. Eze Dikeh. The Ogadagidi one of Ogazi Kingdom. Ogadagidi the fourth of Ogazi Kingdom. Congratulations, my son.
Mother.
You have done well, my son.
Thank you so much,
You
Mother.
are welcome.
Thank you so much.
Hey! And let me welcome you properly. All hail the king. What are you people doing? Come here! Bow before your king. Bow. You don't know what it means to bow. You don't know. You bow down, bow! All hail my king. Ogadagidi the fourth of Ogazi Kingdom. Anu anegbe ya na tanri. Eze Dikeh. Gaga no ogu. Okirikpo. Isi mmiri ji ofo. Ogadagidi. Asimum na-ekwu ị na-aga. Come, let us go in and plan your coronation. You see this kingdom. This entire kingdom belongs to you and you alone.
Mother, you have done so noble. I am going to give you my first blessing as the king of this kingdom.
I bow before you, your majesty.
May your days be long. And may you enjoy the reign of your son.
He said...
You are blessed, mother.
You are blessed also. Everybody can...
Hey!
Neje.
Hey!
Kapa. Alusi nejoka. Everybody can...
What's wrong?
Everything is wrong. I can't find him. I do not know where he is. He didn't come back home.
Time and age. We are not supposed to be traveling all the way to native doctors to do that. That's wrong.
Snake!
Strange things are happening. So many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king?
Two kings cannot rule in one kingdom.
How could I have missed this? How could I have let this happen?
Woman, this is not the best time to tear. You have to act now.
What do I do? Where do I go from here? What next?
Go to the boundary before he crosses.
What?
You heard me. It takes 7 hours for the human spirit to cross the line between the dead and the living. Your husband is 6 hours gone, remaining 1 more hour. If you don't act now, you will lose him forever. Go now!
Please, do not do this, my love. It is not your time. You cannot live like this. You need to go back. Please, do not cross over. I am begging you, Chike. Listen to my voice. You cannot leave the throne of your fathers to murderers. Please do not go. Don't do this, please, my love. Let's just go back. Go back with me, please. Let's just go back. Let's go. Please. Turn around. Let's go back.
People of Ogazi Kingdom and the elders, this is a great day in the history of this kingdom. It's a day we are to crown our prince.
The Ogada the one of Ogazi Kingdom, the fourth.
Oh yes. You know who of Ogazi Kingdom. Hereby crown you. Neke.
Enough! Enough of the charade. Emeka, where is my husband?
Okay, what are you talking about?
I ask you again, Emeka. Where is my husband?
Do you understand the consequences of what you are doing? Oh no, this woman here is obviously running mad. Ask her to leave. She's interfering in our culture and traditions. Ask her to leave immediately. Leave us!
Oh no, crown my son. Don't listen to this.
Don't you dare!
Oh no! Honorable! Emeka! Hey! Efie! Oh no! Even you. Emeka, when you came to my shrine, I asked you about your brother. Emeka, I told you to go and get your brother before we proceed. Instead, you came to this very place to be crowned.
Prince Emeka, in the presence of Ogwefi, the elders of Ogazi Kingdom, your wife, and everyone present here, where is my husband? And don't you dare lie about it.
What is she talking about?
Emeka, speak!
You still want to deny?
I don't know what are you talking about?
Elders, everyone, see.
Snake!
For so many times, you and your mother have plotted against my husband. I am sorry to disappoint you today. My husband is alive. As penance for this evil deed, you and your mother will not live to see my husband being crowned king of Ogazi Kingdom. Because he is the heir to this throne.
Bam! You are manipulating my people. Shut up! You are manipulating the kingdom. People of Oga's kingdom, we have seen it. Oh no. Hey, this man here and this woman will not be buried in our land. They will be taken to the evil forest because they have destroyed this land. Do I make myself clear?
Oh my God, Mary! What's wrong with you? Mary! Mary!
Okay, she's gone.
What?
She is gone.
No.
Let her be. Allow her to rest in peace.
What?
That lady there is your mother. And that was the reason why she never allowed you to touch her. She was sent to protect you. The day you were born, she prayed to the great sect of snake she belonged to that she will protect you at all costs. Protect you, protect your throne. Because she foresaw what is happening to you today. And she came to save you. That was the reason nobody was able to hurt you. The snakes that have been fighting for you whenever they arise against you was she. Now she has accomplished her mission and she has gone back to be with the Lord to rest in peace. So allow her rest in peace.
It's not a reason every time we talk about snakes, you laugh at me.
Yes, and that is why I'm still laughing. Because I knew what the snakes represents. They were never there to hurt you, but to protect you, to fight against anybody who is fighting against you, to guide you and lead you until you achieve your success. Our mission is accomplished. The mission has been accomplished. You are now the Igwe Ogadagidi, the fourth.
Amaka, do not be afraid, for you have found favor with the gods.
Please, my princess, I did not do anything. Please don't hurt me, please. Please, you're dead. Please don't hurt me.
I need you to do something real quick for me. Go to my husband's room. He's hurting himself. He's drinking too much. Please, stop him. You need to go now.
Yes. Yes. Good morning, my prince. I'm sorry. Good morning, Your Majesty.
Sorry for yourself. What is good about this morning? I'm asking you, what is good about this morning? There's nothing good about this life. The woman I love so much is no longer with me. Nothing makes sense anymore.
Your Majesty, I understand how painful it is to lose a loved one. But please, you need to be strong. You are now the king of this great kingdom.
You are not a king. Shut up. A king. A king without a queen is useless. I'm not a king. I'm not a king without my woman. Get out of my presence now.
Your Majesty,
I said, get out!
Who says you are without a queen? I never left. I am always with you. My happiness is you finally got the throne and evil never won.
There is no throne without you by my side. We fought for this. You fought with me. And at the point I needed you most, you left me.
My mission was accomplished. I had nothing left here. Take her. She will make a good queen.
What? can't, my love. She's just a maiden.
Yes, just a maiden. But she will be my replacement as queen because she has found favor with me and with the gods. My love, this will make me happy.
Me this much, yes, and you kept insulting me all those times, But don't worry, I'm forgiving you, don't worry. I'm forgiving you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We're so happy for you.
I know. What about me? How can I forget you? See, I know that you used to insult me, but you know we are still one. Even though the gods chose me, I will treat people with respect because we are all human beings. I mean, who would have thought that me, Amaka, or 4 people will be chosen by the gods? God is wonderful. So, please. So you're looking at the next queen. Give me a hand. I don't understand. Is it because I'm laughing? You have not greeted me. Have you?
Her Royal Majesty.
What should we serve you? Nothing. It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. See, I'm so happy. The gods chose me to be the next queen of Okazi Kingdom. Yes. I'm very, very happy. Thank you so much. Yes, you took me by surprise, you know.
We are here for you. So we'll be serving you now. Yes.
I know. So look at me very well because in 4 days, in 4 days, my life will transform. Amaka, the royal queen. My step will change. Everything about me will change. You can say that again. You will not recognize me again. 4 days. I will not recognize you. Amaka. Stop it. I said I am going to treat people equally, right? But that doesn't mean you should disrespect me. Please put some respect in my name. Please call me. Oh.
Her Majesty.
Say that again.
The Queen of Okazi Kingdom.
Say that again. Thank you so much. God has been so faithful to me. Yes. Okay, so I want to sing a song for us to use and thank God for everything He has done for me. So you're going to join me to sing this song. Let's go. Do you know the song?
Yes.
Ineme baroba
Onyolebube
Onyolebube Anina chiriga kenu. Say you are good.
You are good.
Why am I dancing? People should dance.
You are kind.
You are kind. Oh.
You are good.
Hey. Omeriene kwegi mado.
Great people of Agazi Kingdom, let's welcome the great king, Dikeh Ogadagidi IV. He's calling for celebration. Yes, the lion have taken the throne again, and the bloodline of the Irokos, the great Irokos bloodline, shall regain. Great people of Agazi Kingdom, it called for celebration. Let's come together and celebrate as the new dawn has come. Great King Dikeh Ogadagidi IV, Come, let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Come from the east. Come from the west. Let's celebrate together. Let's celebrate.
You don't fight for kingship. Makanonya chimele for a reason. Kingship is of the God, and not for man to decide who to be king. It's a sacred thing, only the gods will decide. Oh, hey. And I says I saw. Kanonya chimele sekapense. And I says I saw.